Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to try some 3D Y2K duck nails. So I decided to go with these extra short duck nail tips that I got from NOVO, and they're perfect for what I'm going for today. I already sized them out and buffed them out and put them on my nail stand, and we're ready to get started. So I'm going to take this Macart Baby Pink as my base color. I've never used this one before and I really like it. It's self-leveled, really nice, and it's a beautiful base color. Honestly, if I were to leave the nails like this and top coat them, I just think this pink is so beautiful. And if you hear that vacuuming in the background, I'm sorry, but it'll stop shortly. So yeah, I just end up doing one coat on all the nails as my base color, and it covers really nicely. So after that, when I'm done with all 5 nails, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. So gorgeous. I love this pink so much. So I decided to go with this super hot pink from Modelones. I like these for nail art. I like them for a lot of things. They're really good quality. You can obviously get Modelones stuff for really cheap on Amazon. They're actually like the brand I started out with, and I do still love them a lot. So I'm just taking some and putting it on my palette here. This was kind of just like a test nail set. I didn't really have a plan, and I didn't know what I was gonna like end up making. So yeah, you'll see how they turned out at the end. And obviously you saw the thumbnail. So I am taking a dotting tool and I'm attempting to make a heart. Honestly, hearts are supposed to be really easy, but I definitely need more practice. Yeah, so I'm making a little heart, then I'm gonna cure it and start trying to make it more 3D. And now I'm just grabbing some of this clear builder gel. I think I got this off of Shein. It's super thick, as you can see. And I'm also placing that on my palette. And I'm going to struggle, you'll see. I always do this to myself. I don't put enough out on the palette, but it's whatever. I'm just going to mix them together and create a little bit of a pink, hot pink builder gel shade. And I'm going to use that to puff out the heart. A little bit there. Again, this was just like a little test set. Definitely let me know down below what you think about it. I know duck nails aren't for everyone, but I just thought since I was doing like kind of a weird set that duck nails would be a good canvas for this little strange nail art that I do here. So I am out of frame a little bit, but I do get back in frame. I'm just going to clean that up where I messed up with some alcohol and flash cure this before I add more layers to puff it up more. And just showing you how it's looking so far. And now we're up to adding another layer. This worked really well. I just should have made myself more on the palette, or I should have used like my actual little domed out paint palette. This was kind of like aggravating to mix and scrape some up. Maybe I should have used a brush. I don't know. If you have any tips, definitely let me know down below, because I'll be interested in hearing what you have to say. I've been very intrigued by the puffy nail art trend. I'm glad that I started here instead of like trying to do the whole nail, because honestly I don't know if I have enough patience for that, because this was a little bit time consuming. So I did move on to the thumb, which I struggled with. I did cut that out, and I'm just making a bigger heart shape, and I'm going to fill it in with the same hot pink and then build it up the same that we did for the pinky nail. And I am always flash curing in between my layers with my little flashlight thing. I really like that a lot. If you don't have one, I would definitely recommend getting it, because they're super cheap on like Temu or Shein or Amazon. They just come in really handy. So here I am just adding more, like I said. I don't even remember how many layers I did. Yeah. But that's what I'm doing, and I really like this pink color a lot. It's super, super neon. I think it goes well with the baby pink base. I've been really enjoying doing voiceovers for my videos. I just feel like I'm more in the headspace to like narrate the videos when I'm already done with the nails, because it can be kind of stressful to talk while you're doing the nails sometimes, or like you run out of things to say. I don't know. I've just been enjoying it. And now that I'm watching this back, I would definitely say that the more builder gel you add to the polish, the easier it is, obviously, to build up. So I should have probably just, you know, put more builder gel on the palette, but we're getting there. I mean, this was a first try. I'm definitely not mad at it. I don't know if I'm going to do the full puffy nail trend. I just don't know if it's something that I can have the patience for, like I said. So I just took out some more of the baby pink with some of the builder gel. I'm kind of just mixing all different shades of pink, as you'll see as we move on, and I'm getting some of that and creating just some random like freestyle lines around the heart on the pinky and the lash curing. I think the pinky is really cute. Let me know what finger is your favorite when you get there and see how they all turn out, because they're all different. So I'm just mixing in some more and building up those lines even more for more of a 3D effect. And also another tip, definitely don't be afraid to flash cure in between, because you definitely don't want your polishes to settle down, because if you're going for the 3D puffy look, then the longer you wait to cure, the flatter it's going to get, you know, self-leveling and all that. So just keep that in mind if you're attempting something like this. Do you have any good video recommendations for puffy nail trends? The puffy nail trend, because I'd definitely be interested in watching and learning some tips there. Maybe I can do something that will make this faster and easier. I don't know, but whatever. I'm just randomly making some freestyle lines and again continually building them up until I feel like they're, you know, where I want them to be. And I'm sorry if I'm kind of all over the place. Like, this is the ring finger now. I just was kind of jumping back and forth, adding things as I felt like they needed, and just kind of mixing up and grabbing all different pinks, because they were all like going really nice together. This one turned out more jelly. Here I am showing the thumb. I'm just all over the place. Sorry guys. This was just a weird nail set. I honestly wasn't even sure if I was gonna end up uploading this, because I don't know, they did turn out cute, but they're not necessarily like my favorite style. But I didn't want to scrap the video, you know. I thought it was just a good chance to chat with you guys and just show you my first attempt at like doing something like this. But yeah, so let me know what you think. Adding more of that same pink, but now it's another like kind of lighter tone, which I really like. And I'm just making some little lines. I don't know what you call them. Certain nails turned out better than others, in my opinion. But yeah, what are you gonna do? I've been really wanting to do some, what do you call it? Like opal nails with like the little opal gem and like the silver metallic painting gel. I think that would be really cool, so I'm probably going to end up doing that in the very near future. This finger, I actually really liked how it turned out, so I'm just randomly doing stuff. There's no like rhyme or reason to the pattern that I'm doing. I just did it until I liked it. Let me know down below if you use Modelones products. Let me know what you think about them, because I think they're really good and they work really well for nail art, in my opinion. And I do like this pink quite a lot, and it mixes up into different beautiful shades. Like, I don't know, I love pink, you guys know that. And if you're still here watching this, listening to me ramble on and watching this strange nail set, comment me down below some pink heart emojis so I know that you are here. So now I'm grabbing this really pretty holographic like painting gel. This is from Temu or Shein. I have no idea. I buy so much stuff that I don't even know like where they're from anymore. And I'm just gonna take a little paintbrush and kind of again do some freestyle stuff in between the blobs and stuff, just to kind of give it some more sparkle. And I'm also flash curing quickly so they don't flatten out, because I want these to have some 3D effects as well. I really love this silver glittery stuff. Like, it's so holographic and beautiful, and it's just really easy to work with. I have no idea if it's still available. I ordered this quite a long time ago, but I'm sure there's a lot of similar stuff on there if you're interested in picking up something like this. So here I'm going around the heart with this silver stuff, which I'm kind of annoyed at myself for doing. I don't know how I feel about it. The thumb, not gonna lie, is definitely my least favorite now, but I did do this, and you know, it is what it is. So here's what they are looking like. I'm gonna take this hot pink heart charm and put it over the heart on the thumb, because I didn't think it looked heart-shaped enough. So I did do that with my thick rhinestone glue gel, and I am gonna add some of these like multicolored little pearls. I pick like mostly pink shade ones, and I'm just placing a couple around just to give it something extra. And then I'm gonna top coat them and give them a nice cure, and we're gonna put them on, and we're gonna be done with this strange set. Can you tell I'm indifferent about these nails? They are cute, don't get me wrong. Like, I really love that ring finger and the middle finger and the pointer finger. I'm not crazy about that thumb though. But yeah, so I'm using this top coat that I always use, and here they are on. They are pretty cute. I do love this these nails from NOVO. They're perfect duck nails in my opinion. And look how glittery that silver is, guys. I do like these, but they're not my favorite set that I've ever done. But if you enjoyed this, definitely give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.